Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dragon's Crown on PC step by step. Start by choosing a reliable emulator, download verified game files, and place them in a dedicated folder. Next, configure graphics and controller mapping, adjust resolution and frame rate settings for stability, and create a backup of your folder before first run so you can restore progress if something goes wrong during setup. Configure controls early to feel natural when playing Dragon's Crown on PC. Open your emulator's input settings and assign keys, or a gamepad to movement, attack, jump, and special actions. Then test combos in a training area or low-risk encounter. Fine-tune sensitivity in dead zones, enable vibration if desired, and save profiles for each class so you can switch quickly between character styles during co-op or solo sessions. Hey friends, if you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like to support more easy tutorials. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep and snacking during long sessions much simpler and less messy, which is perfect between quests. I dropped the link and extra deals in the description so you can check them out. And if you grab a set, it keeps your playtime tidier and happier. Now let's get back to the video. Optimize graphics carefully to keep gameplay smooth and visually faithful. Start with native resolution or a modest upscale. Then enable texture filtering and simple post-processing if your GPU handles it. Limit frames to a stable target. Use V-Sync or Adaptive Sync to prevent tearing, and test performance in combat-heavy scenes. Keep driver updates current and only apply community fixes from reputable threads to avoid crashing the emulator or corrupting saves.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.